So I have this brand new Arduino Nano clone, but when I connect it to my computer, the Arduino IDE says,
"Programmer is not responding. Programmer is not responding. Programmer is not responding."
Okay then, time to burn the bootloader. No, not like that. The bootloader is simply a very low-level piece of code on the Arduino that communicates with the computer whenever the computer wants to put a new program onto the Arduino. So if we're missing that piece of code, the Arduino can still run its program, assuming it has one, but it can't accept a new one from the computer. To fix it, we need another Arduino board, and I'm going to use this Nano because then they'll match up more easily. We can connect the 5-volt port, the ground port, and ports 11, 12, and 13 on both boards together, and pin 10 on the working board to the reset pin on the broken one. Now that they're connected, we can plug the working Arduino into the computer and upload the Arduino ISP sketch from File, Examples, Arduino ISP. Once that's finished, we can go to Tools, Programmer, and select Arduino as ISP. Then we can go back to Tools and select Burn Bootloader. And now, the moment of truth.